making Halloween slime! Hey challengers! Today we're back with another challenge and we are making slime for Halloween.
You'll notice our background looks a little different today. We are on the set for our mini-series that we are doing on our new channel, Toy-Capades.
We have all kinds of awesome ingredients here today.
We got spider webs, erasers, stretchy skeletons. We all have different colors of slime and we can put whatever we want in it. At the end, we need your help to vote who made the best slime.
So let's get started!
I'm making some black slime.
I got purple. I like purple. I've got AC as my helper.
He attacked me.
I'm gonna start stirring it because.
Wait, is the last bit for me?
There we go. Now it's all this slime.
It keeps attacking me.
Yes.
What the?
What?
I put in some cat erasers. Now I'm gonna stir it.
It's already becoming slimy.
I need a paper towel. Mine's eggshelled colored. I hope it glows. I got an all orange top.
Doven.
Mine looks like melted marshmallow. Ah, super sticky. I need some saving solution to put on my hands as a life hack. Whoa, this is turning out great. Ooh, this is pretty good.
Alright, I'm going in with both hands.
Ooh.
Oh my god, it feels so weird. There's this like crinkly sensation in.
I'm using Colin's keys method.
Whoa! Except mine's not turning.
This is the new Fortnite dance. Press the boogie down.
Except mine's not turning out. Mine's
Making
not,
the slime.
Mine's not turning out. Casey, you might want to get back. I'm a mummy. Daddy, please.
I think I just have a mess at this. Alright, I just need to pass it some more. This is the cotton candy slime. So I
It's
officially
so
named
pink.
it.
My slime turned out so awesome. I'm super excited about it. Watch this. And my little kitties are hanging out in it. Oh, my pudding couldn't fit in my slime.
I'm going to show you the miracle of my slime. We put in shaving cream, we mix it up, and it starts becoming really groupy and gross, and it's like just destroying the slime. But if I keep mixing it in, it's going to become back to its original state, but better, because it's magic.
That's what happens.
Wow. No, it's just magic.
That's
See,
what
it's
happens.
mine. Oh look, it's back, and it's better than ever. I need all the blues for something special.
I need all the purples
That's
and
great.
oranges.
It's now officially cotton candy slime. If you open it up a bit and find the person in there, there's his leg, and it's cotton candy.
Down. It's doing I thought there was only two.
Don't look like my symbiote.
One. Oh, woo! No. Wait, how'd you make it that big? I need to make mine that big.
I trust you, God. I'm buried. I can't move.
I'm not a puppet.
No. Look how
Yay.
huge it is. 3. No.
This
3, 2, 1.
Nope.
Stop throwing stuff in my slime.
So, this is my slime. It's a black, sparkly, fluffy slime.
This is my slime. It's really tricky. It's a bit tricky, but it's gonna fun to play and I love it. It's fluffy.
It's squishy and stretchy if you didn't catch that.
Oh my gosh! What's happening to my slime?
It's
It
mutating.
grew hard. Now the satisfactory.
Oh my goodness, there's another one growing.
Oh my gosh! My slime's magical, everybody. It's hashtag confirmed.
So this is my slime. It's very stretchy. It even bounces. It glows in the dark. And it makes really good slime bubbles and really good unicorn. And it has cat erasers in it. And they're super cute. And it really glows in the dark, so let's go show you. Come on guys, come in here. I'm gonna show you. Vote for mine. It's really cool. Vote for it.
Oh, you guys know you like pink slime. I mean, come on. Everyone loves pink. It's like a cherry or something. Vote for mine. It's pink.
Vote for mine. Get so sweaty. You know you love sweaty slime. It's fluffy.
Make sure you vote! In the comments down below, make your vote of whose slime you think won. We got you! Get the materials for slime, try it yourself. It's a really fun experiment, and let us know in the comments down below what slime you made, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye! We hope you guys enjoyed our video, and if you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. And click that video right there for some more awesome content.
Wait a second. Gosh, this one right here. Pick the one I like. Make sure you like this video right here. That's my favorite video.
Guys, you should watch this one. It's awesome.
But seriously, guys, hit that video right there, and we'll see you guys next time.